morning I wake up, Lord, I know you're here. My heart keeps on trembling, you make it calm. Every step of my journey, you guide my path. For me to start a brand new day. Life would be nothing until you found me. Giving me faith and courage to stand on my feet. You save me from unrighteousness. You lead me. For me to face a brand new life. Lord, I am nothing without you. In your presence I'm safe and secure. Lord, bless my heart, make it pure and brand new. Be with me for the rest of my life. When my heart is torn apart, you showed me love. When my life is full of disappointments, you gave me hope. You said, my child, life won't be easy. Have faith in me. I am the